Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the most frequently asked questions. Do you need special lenses for Impressionist photography? The short answer is no. You don't need fancy or specialized lenses to create dazzling Impressionist images. But here is the exciting part. Certain types of lenses and accessories can open up new doors for creativity, helping you achieve specific effects or enhance your favorite techniques. In this video, part of our Ask Me Anything series, we will break down everything you need to know about choosing and using lenses for Impressionist photography. We will explore the essential gear you already have and how to use it creatively, optional lenses and accessories that can add a magical touch, practical settings and tips to get the most out of your equipment. Let's jump in and see how you can make your gear work for you. You might be surprised to hear that the lenses you already own are more than capable of creating stunning Impressionist photos. Here is how. These versatile lenses are a fantastic starting point. They are perfect for exploring techniques like motion blur, intentional camera movement, and reflections. The zoom functionality gives you the flexibility to frame your subject creatively, while the standard focal length range allows you to experiment with various compositions. Use slower shutter speeds to capture movement and create a painterly effect with ICM. Reflections on water or other surfaces also pair beautifully with these lenses, especially when you play with light and color. Prime lenses, especially those with wide apertures, are a dream for creating a soft, dreamy aesthetics. The shallow depth of field they offer is perfect for isolating a subject and creating a lovely blur, ideal for Impressionist photography. Open up the aperture to its widest settings, like f1.8, and focus on a single detail of your subject. The result? A delicate artistic image that draws the viewer in. If you are looking to add a sense of depth, abstraction, or focus to your Impressionist photography, telephoto lenses are a fantastic choice. Here is why. Telephoto lenses allow you to photograph subjects from afar. This distance can help you capture candid, organic shots where the subjects remain unaware, resulting in more natural and unposed images. This approach aligns beautifully with Impressionist photography, as it allows for a softer, more spontaneous portrayal of a scenes and subjects. For instance, imagine a person on the beach at sunset. Telephoto lens let you frame the scene into a captivating, dreamlike composition. With a narrow field of view, telephoto lenses excel at isolating specific details from a scene. Whether it's capturing the ripples on water, the shimmer of reflections, or the intricate texture of foliage, those lenses allows you to focus on a subject while softening or eliminating distraction in the background. For those looking to push the boundaries of creativity, specialty lenses are an exciting way to enhance your Impressionist photography. These lenses offer unique features that can take your artistic vision to the next level. Lens baby lenses are favorite among creative photographers for their ability to add a magical artistic quality to images. These lenses allows you to selectively focus on a specific part of your frame while blurring the rest, drawing attention to your subject in a unique way. Create dreamy distortion that mimic the look of brush strokes in a painting. When it comes to Impressionist photography, macro lenses are invaluable tools for capturing the mesmerizing intricacies of the natural world. These lenses allows you to delve into tiny subjects, transforming them into stunning works of art with a beautiful shallow depth of field. M42 lenses are a treasure trove for creative photographers. These vintage lenses offer unique optical characteristics that can add charm and character to your Impressionist photography. Here is how to get started. M42 lenses are manual focus lenses that were widely used in the mid-20th century. Known for their build quality and distinctive rendering, they often have beautiful smooth bokeh, subtle optical imperfection that enhance artistic images, a variety of focal lengths and aperture options, many of which are very affordable. To use M42 lenses on modern cameras, you will need an M42 to your camera mount adapter. These converters allow the lenses to attach to your camera's mount. When using M42 lenses, embrace their imperfections. They can add personality and charm to your images. Adjust your camera settings manually and experiment with wide open apertures for the best results. You don't need to rely solely on specialized lenses to achieve stunning Impressionist effects. A few simple accessories can help you unlock your creative potential, even with standard lenses. Let's explore how. ND filters are a game changer for Impressionist photography, especially when shooting in bright conditions. By reducing the amount of light entering your lens, these filters allows you to use slower shutter speed during daylight, perfect for motion blur and intentional camera movement. Maintain the desired exposure without overexposing your image, even with extended shutter times. Diffusion filters add a soft, ethereal glow to your images, blurring harsh details and enhancing the dreamy quality that Impressionist photography is known for. If you don't have a dedicated diffusion filter, get creative with DIY solutions. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline to a UV filter. Use a piece of sheer fabric, like chiffon, stretch over the lens. Experiment with clear plastic wraps for unique distortions. Polarizing filters are versatile tools that can enhance your Impressionist photography by reducing glare or unwanted highlights, giving your scene a cleaner, more balanced look. Slightly reducing the amount of light entering your lens, allowing for slower shutter speeds. This can be especially helpful for creating motion effects in your images if you don't have an ND filter on hand. At its core, Impressionist photography is about breaking free from traditional rules and capturing the world as you feel it, not just as you see it. Use natural light, reflection, and movement to paint your images with light and emotion. Remember, it's not about the gear, it's about the vision. The tools you choose should serve your creativity, not limit it. So start experimenting, embrace the unexpected, and most importantly, have fun creating. Let me know in the comments What's your favorite lens or technique for creating artistic images? I'd love to hear from you. And as always, leave your questions in the comments below. I will be back with more Ask Me Anything soon. Till next time, happy shooting!